I'm David, and the hot blonde chick driving our van is Claire. And this is us following our friends for a weekend of adventure. Come with us. This week we experienced some really fast cars. We get hit by the Great British weather. And we have some damn good pies for breakfast. But first we need to discuss showering and how we manage to keep clean at a festival weekend inside a VW T6, which is not even 5 metres long. My plan involved a big bucket of water, a shower curtain and the tailgate of our T6 van. This is how Claire got on. So Claire, you're going to have a shower?
Yes.
Are you going to have a cold one like me?
No, you need to put some warm water in there for me.
So how are we making it warm?
So we're going to boil a kettle.
Yeah.
With the power bank.
Yeah.
And then we're going to top the water that's already in there with some hot water. Hopefully that will warm it up a little bit for me.
So once we've boiled 2 lots of kettle, you'll give it a go and we'll let everyone know how you find it, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. So Claire is now in the shower. She's just soaping herself up. I think we should probably have a bit of a sneaky peek. What do you reckon? Well, who's looking in there, you dirty... Ah! Fuck. It's nice, but it's cold. Ooh, ooh.
There we go.
It's sticking to
Oh,
you.
do the helicopter.
Oh, we can see your ass.
That's cooled me down. So the pump's in the water. It comes up here. It hangs on a metal hook up there. And the cord goes back through the bit that holds, that you pull for the boot. And it's perfectly recyclable and reusable. And that curtain there stops the water going back into the van. And these curtains are held together by magnets, so possibly a few more magnets. But yeah, I think the system's really good. I think it's functional. Okay, so the product that we've been using for the shower is called the Flextail Tiny Shower. So basically that is your pump, that is your shower. Just to turn it on, you simply turn it on there. So there you go, you can see that the shower's coming through. You can twist this nozzle as well and you can turn it off at the nozzle. But that is the Flex Shower. The other thing you've got is you've got this little gadget here for hanging it. So if you wanted to put hooks somewhere. But what we're doing is we're just using the bucket to recycle the water round and round and round. So in theory, we could have as many showers as we want under the curtain setup that we've got. So Claire, you've had your shower now. What are you doing next?
I am going to get in one of them fast cars.
Yeah.
With Ellie Sax.
With Ellie Sax.
Don't get that to do that every day, do you?
No. So you're going in the Mustang, which is that one over there. And it belongs to Ellie Sax, and Ellie Sax is also driving. Excited?
Yes. Hello! Hi! Can I have a selfie for myself? Of course you can, yeah!
Sorry, what's your look now?
I'm Ellie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, thank you so much for this.
Oh, no problem at all.
Oh, this is amazing. Go, go, go!
I don't drive it like this to Sainsbury's.
Joe, that's the last one of the day.
Yeah, how was it? Brilliant!
Oh, she's beautiful, isn't she? Did you enjoy that?
That's amazing.
Good.
Yeah, really good.
She's nice, isn't she?
Yeah, she's lovely.
Ellie's skills didn't end at driving and she kept us entertained into the night. The following day was a complete washout. However, no worries, because the girls had already practiced their cheerleading routine on the Thursday night, ready for when it stopped raining.
Actually, that was timing him really well.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Do not laugh,
No.
okay?
We need you two in front of us.
Because these two at the back haven't done the homework and
No,
they're going
we
to copy.
haven't.
We're the bad cheerleaders.
That was a
How
really
was
good
that?
start.
Excellent.
Unfortunately, the rehearsals on the Thursday night had been cut short because we had a pub quiz to come third from bottom in and a football match to watch, where it all went down to penalties. Come on, the Lionesses! Not to worry, as for reasons only known to David, Harry Potter was able to ensure that the weather stopped raining in the present and that the girls' training paid off. Wingardium Leviosa!
Let's say I let you call me baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand. Let's say I let you stay for coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no.
So here we are at the end of the weekend. Obviously the main point of this video is to showcase the shower, but we've had a wicked time as well, haven't we?
We have. It's been amazing. Despite the rain, it's been brilliant. It's been about us as a group, as friendship and giggles. We've laughed so much, haven't we? It's been amazing.
Okay, so the next day it was a bit of a washout. We did have the old school disco at the end with Chris Moyles. I'll be honest with you, it was a bit of a disappointment because it seemed to be a bit of a Chris Moyles show. However, we had a great time because we were with our mates.
Yeah.
And now it's time for the runway. It's time for the Survivors
Time
Convoy.
for the convoy.
We've survived.
Woo!
So hopefully you enjoy this too. So just while we're waiting on the runway, I wanted to show you another product that Flextail sent us out for this festival, and this is brilliant. It's a Flextail Max Fan Pro, and it's absolutely awesome. So it's a handheld fan, but it says that it works outdoors. So normally you find with these fans, when you've got them outdoors, because you've already got wind around, you've already got air, they kind of just blow hot air in your face. This one is really powerful, it's rechargeable, it goes up in 100 increments, so you know you can have various different powers. But the beauty of this one is that it's got a cooling function. So if you press the button and hold it down, you'll see that an icicle will appear. And what happens is this middle section cools down like a can that's just come out of a fridge. So not only does it blow even colder air because it's blowing around that, you can also put it on your head and you can use it for conduction cooling, which is brilliant. So yeah, really think this fan's good. I take it away with work when I'm staying in hotels, put it on the hotel side. This bit acts as a stand, but you can also use it as a clip. So it's very versatile. The battery lasts a good few hours if you've got it on one of the lower powers. So yeah, I think it's a really good product, and we'll link it down below.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up
After the convoy, it was time to say goodbye to our good friends. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one.
Doolittle's done.